The Milwaukee 18V 1/2-inch impact wrench is a versatile tool that works seamlessly with Milwaukee 18V batteries, making it ideal for various settings like workshops and roadside emergencies. With a remarkable 1,600 foot-pounds of loosening torque, this impact wrench easily handles tough jobs like automotive repairs and heavy machinery tasks. The smart brushless motor in this tool offers 4 speed settings, allowing users to customize their experience based on the task, while extending the runtime significantly compared to traditional motors. Its ergonomic design, coupled with a vibration-damped grip, reduces fatigue by 20%, allowing for longer working hours without discomfort. The built-in LED work light ensures that users can operate efficiently in low-light conditions, providing clear visibility of fasteners without causing glare. This impact wrench is particularly user-friendly with its quick socket swapping feature, making it perfect for high-volume tasks such as tire rotations or assembly line work.